Hi everyone, Rob here with Rob's 4x4 and Customs, just taking a quick second to bring you another Jeep that we have for sale for you today. Today, we're taking a second to bring you this 2007 Jeep Wrangler Sahara that we have. It's got a 4-inch suspension lift on it already. It's already on wheels and tires. It's been through our shop, so it really needs nothing at this point. Paint's in great shape too. It's got 92,000 miles on it. It's also a 6-speed manual. Here, let's take a look at the interior. Like I said, all the dash, the moldings are in good shape. Not a lot of cracking. Seats are in good shape. No rips or tears. It's already got the holder right there for your GPS or whatever you would want to put there. Also got the grips. Good old Quadratech mats. Back seat, as you can see, is already still in good shape too. If you guys have any question about this Jeep or any of the other vehicles that we have for sale or any of the work we do, please give us a call today at 215-781-3970. That is 215-781-3970. Also, don't hesitate to look us up on Facebook at Rob's 4x4 and Customs. That's Rob's 4x4 and Customs on Facebook, or give us a call at 215-781-3790. Have a great day.